There is something powerful about learning a skill that has stood the test of centuries. Something that connects you to every pair of hands that came before yours. Hands that built cathedrals, filled windows with color and light, and turned ordinary glass into something that made people stop and look up in awe. Stained glass is not just an art, it is a doorway to focus, to creativity, to patience, to a version of yourself you haven't met yet. When you are working with glass and copper foil, the world outside goes quiet. Your mind stops running, your hands take over, and in that stillness, something remarkable happens. You begin to create. There is no other feeling quite like it. Whether you are picking up a piece of glass for the very first time, curious and wide open, or you are someone who has already tasted this craft and is hungry to go deeper, there is a place for you here. Beginner classes designed to welcome you exactly as you are, with no pressure and no experience required. And advanced classes built for those who are ready to step up, push further, and discover just how far their skills can take them. Guiding you every step of the way are master artisans from Scottish stained glass, a Denver studio with deep roots in church restoration, architectural glass, and every form of this craft imaginable. These are not just teachers. They are keepers of a living tradition, experts who have worked on sacred spaces and landmark buildings, and who bring that same level of care and mastery into every single class. And now, they are sharing it with you, right here in Denver. This is your opportunity. Come learn, come grow, come make something that lets the light through.